What's the meaning of alma mater? Alma mater. Alma mater. Alma mater. Alma mater. Alma mater.
The term alma mater comes from Latin and translates to nourishing mother. It is used to refer to the school, college, or university where a person has received their education. It signifies the gratitude and affection that individuals have for their educational institution, which is seen as a nurturing figure that provides students with knowledge and skills that they can use in their lives and careers. In essence, alma mater is a term of endearment that represents the special bond between an individual and their alma mater.